My name is Musim Rathod of class 11 science of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Army Jodhpur, and this is my science project of theme educational toy whose title is hydraulic JCB hand. So let's see how it works. Let's see how this project is designing a JCB model based on the principle of hydraulic system. In this project, JCB model is hydraulically operated and controlled by the movement of filled with some fluid like this, and it consists of various parts connected to each other in a pre-designed manner which are guided in a constrained way to obtain required output. The principle of the working of the hydraulic JCB is Pascal's law. This law states that when a pressure is applied at one point of a fluid contained in a constrained volume, then the pressure due to that force is equally transmitted to all the points of the fluid which are acted upon by the same pressure. Using the principle, we applied pressure to fluid in syringe which is transmitted to other end of tube which is connected to a syringe. Like this, you can see here is a syringe, here and here. There are 8 syringes required in this model, and the operation of the JCB arm is controlled by the pressure of the fluids. Hence, the project is useful from both the perspectives that are theoretical as well as practical. There are many uses of the hydraulic system. One of the most important equipment used in transporting goods and people is the hydraulic lift. By the way of hydraulics, such JCB trucks are able to carry heavy loads with great ease and lift it vertically. Hydraulic lifts come in the form of passenger lift, service lift to carry goods to higher floors. We now so we can learn many things via this science project. Some of the important topics are noted. Hydraulic excavator, pressure, Pascal law. Like hydraulic excavator is a powerful construction machine. We can see this machine in various construction sites such as roadside, dam site, building sites and etc. This machine is designed to demolish purpose. It can dig a hole, move mud from one place to another. It moves using either wheel or chain. There are lots of companies which manufacture excavators in which JCB is renowned one. Pressure can be defined as the ratio of force applied perpendicularly per unit area. Unit of pressure is Pascal. There are many types of pressure. Some of them are absolute pressure, gauge pressure, atmospheric pressure, etc. Pressure can be calculated using formula P equals to force upon area. Pascal law can be stated as when we apply pressure on fluid inside a closed container, this force is transmitted to liquid and wall of container. Working model of hydraulic JCB is based on hydraulic system. Hydraulic system is a system where a liquid fluid is main component. Some of example of hydraulic system are vehicle brake, hydraulic jacks, etc. So in this JCB hand, I have used 8 syringes, 4 in this remote and 4 in this JCB hand, where this hand required more amount of energy to lift it up. I used the largest size of syringe to control it, and where this hand required the less amount of energy to move this JCB hand, and where I used the smallest size of this syringe, and where this hand required the medium amount of energy to move, I use this medium size of syringes to move this. So you can easily see that I use the syringes, variable sizes of syringes according to depending on the amount of energy required in this. So that's all my JCB hand.